Greetings in the name of the Most High Yah. It's King Yediya, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets. And today I'm gonna do a little pre-market technical analysis trade plan for the market open. On today's date is the 18th of May 2022. All right, so today on the Camarilla levels we have a totally higher value day with the S3 way above prior days S3 and R3 way above here. You could see R4 yesterday was down here, so it's a higher value day. And this is my strategy. I'm gonna break down my strategy for you today. And this is ticker NVDA 5-minute chart. And my strategy is this: when we have a higher value day with a big rejection like this of price action, we're breaking down S3, we're opening below S3 or S4. Any retest of S4, like if we open below S4, right, the first 5-minute candle, if we get a retest probably on the second 5-minute candle of S4, we short S4 and just take it down, you know what I mean, as far as we could go, probably S4 to probably, I guess, S6 or something like that. But it'll probably be maybe a trend day if the momentum is there, you know. And let's see, another part of the strategy is if we get a flush down open with no retracement, we enter on the second candle, the open of the second candle, we enter short. Like let's say let me make this a little bigger. Right, so let's say we open around 177 and we continue to drop to 176. By the open of the next candle, the next 5-minute candle at 176, we just go short with stop loss above the first candle, let's say above 177.50 or 177 above here somewhere. Or you could take put your stop loss above S4 and you just ride it down, you know what I mean. It's a simple strategy, especially when we're in a bear market and it's flushing down like that. And you know, when the market is moving down, it moves really quickly. It's not like when the market is moving up, it grinds up. No, when we're going short or when the market is coming down, it moves really quick. So that's my strategy this morning on Nvda. That was the Camarilla levels. Let's look at the floor pivot levels. And this is also part of my strategy criteria. You see S1 here, that's the floor pivot at 177.53. If we open below S1, we get a retest, we short S1. The first 5-minute candle flushes, the next candle opens even lower, we take that second candle, stop above S1 or first 5-minute candle. And that's as simple as that. And let's see, let's go to the US dollar, because the US dollar is the one that's controlling this whole market right now. Let's see. So you see the US dollar caught a bid here. Remember on my technical analysis video, I was saying we're at support. So this is a major support zone. We got the bids here, triple bottom, well, quadruple if you want to check this one as well. 1, 2, let me see if I make this bigger, make sure you guys can see that. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we pushed up here. I have a fib line from let's see, where did I pull this fib from? Right, from this level right here, from the 16th of May, 5 o'clock in the afternoon, the beginning of the Asian session. That's when we started moving down on this day. Could even pull the fib from, let's see, come on fib, where are you? Right, we could pull it from here. That seems like it lines up even better, right? So we hit the 38% level right here, rejected. Let's see if we go a little further. All right, let's go to the top. Right, so it looks like it's the fib is, the price action is respecting, let's see, this one, not the actual top, but this one right here. When was this? This top was on the 16th of May at 145. So it's lining up with price action right here. So let's see what happens here. We got these pivot levels, BC, central pivots, the BC, the pivot, and the top central pivot, and we have a flip day because the top central is at the bottom and the bottom central is at the top. So that's a flip day, and it's also in a lower value relationship. So the way I look at it, if it's flipping and price is above it, then we could definitely get the push up through the fib zones. Let me put some alerts right here. Setting some alerts at the 38%, 50%, and 61%. So this one here is the 38%, 50% retracement, and the 61% retracement. And let's see, right now we're pulling back a little bit. We're at VWAP. So let me just put set alert right here for when we break upper VWAP band. That's this red line right here. Or if we break top central pivot, set an alert there, and set an alert at support VWAP line, the lower VWAP line. All these areas are where we could get support if we push down, and if we're pushing down and we're breaking down, the stock market is going to rally. If this pushes up further, then off of this quadruple bottom, I think we're going to get the push up, but we got some wick rejections going on, so gotta be mindful. Anything could happen, you know. We're not sticking to one bias, we're trading price action, but it's looking like we're getting a reversal here, and that means sell off in the stock market. And let's see, let's look at the futures. So you see the futures, since I woke up this morning on and also checking it overnight, I was seeing that the futures was coming down. So it's no surprise to me when I open my trading platform today that I see all of this selling happening, because I'm seeing it in the futures overnight. So that's something you might want to check out, you know what I mean? The futures, the Es1 Nq1 Rty1. Alright, let's see what else could I check. Alright, let's check the currency strength indicator. Right, so the US dollar in red here is selling off, and all the safe havens are selling off. So that's actually not really too good. They should be pushing up, because if it's risk off, they should be pushing up. So you see we have contrary what could I call it, biases or directions or theses, you know. So you got to be mindful of these things, you know. If it's showing that safe havens are selling off, that means that, you know, maybe we might get a rally or a bounce at the open. So that's part of the strategy as well. If we get let's see, open this one. Right, so if we do get the rally, you see we're getting the push up right now. The US dollar was selling off. We're getting a little push up on Nvda. And what time is it? It's 9:10. All right, so let me wrap up this video. Prepare my trade, plan out my trade properly. What kind of size I'm taking at certain levels and stuff like that, and just, you know, hope we crush this open, you know. You see we're getting that wick rejection right there. So let's see where we open. I'm thinking we're gonna open around maybe 176.50. Probably retrace to this lower VWAP band at 177.34 or 177.50, at S1. But we'll see how it goes, you know what I mean? Let me upload this video and do some preparation. Alright, y'all, it's your boy King Yedaya, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets. And this was my pre-market flight plan, let's call it that, you know what I mean, trade plan. Alright, y'all, trade safe and stay blessed.